In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Height Y70 screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Height Y70 Touch. So this is one of the most innovative cases on the market because it features a screen built into the case. This screen can be used for aesthetics or to display system information like the temperature, the speeds, clock timings, and so on, but it is fully customizable. Setting it up is simple, but if you don't follow this carefully, you could potentially skip over a step. So if it isn't working or you want to go over the entire process, first on the inside of the case, you should connect the USB 2.0 cable into a USB header on your motherboard. So your motherboard is going to have plenty of these USB 2.0 headers, and all that you have to do is align the USB 2.0 cable. As you can see here, it is labeled, and you insert it into any of these slots on the motherboard. If all of the slots on your motherboard are taken, you can purchase extenders or splitters that will give you more of these slots. And then you will need to connect it to a SATA cable. This cable will usually come from your power supply. So your power supply will have plenty of SATA power cables, and you will plug the Height Y70 screen into one of these. So once it is receiving SATA power and it is connected into your motherboard with the USB 2.0 cable into a USB 2.0 header, the last thing to do is to check the back of the case. So as you can see, you have to use a DisplayPort cable to connect the screen to your graphics card. This DisplayPort cable should be provided, but if it isn't, you can use any other one that you have. So your GPU or graphics card will be beside the slot with the DisplayPort cable for the screen. So you plug one end of the DisplayPort cable into here, which refers to the screen, and the other one goes into your power supply. With all of this done, the last step to ensure that it works flawlessly is to download the Height Nexus app. This isn't mandatory, but if you want to have full control over the screen and make sure that it is being detected, working properly, and so on, download it from the official Height website. So look for Height Nexus, download it here, and it is going to be set up. The last thing to do is to go into Windows and see if it appears here. If the display appears on Windows, it means that it has been detected and good to go. You might have to change the orientation from landscape to portrait or portrait flipped. So try out both portrait modes and see which one fixes the screen. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had about the Height Y70 case, then consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.